Welcome to Training Express. Here's the demonstration of our course design and interactive system of learning. Enjoy. Introduction to Supervising Food Safety. Level 3 Supervising Food Safety and Catering. Introduction. Supervising Food Safety and Catering Level 3 has been designed to assist you as the manager or supervisor of a food catering establishment. Understanding is key to ensuring that food safety and hygiene practices are adhered to, which is a vital part of the supervisory role. This course aims to teach you how supervisors must promote food safety legislation, how to encourage workers to minimize contamination and adhere to strict personal hygiene practices, instigating and maintaining a food safety management system, which will allow you to ensure that all foods produced are safe for consumption at all times. Course aims. This course will take learners throughout many stages to ensure overall knowledge of food hygiene and safety practices are up to date. This will include a good understanding of food hygiene and safety practices for all working in any catering environments, a deeper awareness of the legislation surrounding food safety, and how to adhere to it. Full understanding of food types and how it may become contaminated, including ways to avoid this and reduce that risk. Be aware of bacteria that can affect foods and make it unsafe to consume. Know about safe cooking temperatures for cooking, chilling and freezing foods to ensure its safety. How to take food temperatures. Waste and pest control. The importance of a thorough cleaning schedule. The law surrounding personal hygiene whilst working in a catering environment. Understanding how to implement the basics of a HAACP food management system whilst recognizing what tools are required to do so. Topics to be covered. Topics to be covered are: why food safety is important, who is likely to be most at risk, which foods will cause illnesses, key phrases, the supervisory role. Why is food safety important? Food handlers, regardless of role, have both a moral and ethical responsibility to ensure all food they prepare or handle is safe to consume. All food handlers have a legal responsibility to protect the foods they deal with from hazards, which then protects consumers from harm. Businesses can suffer serious losses as a result of poor food standards. Examples of consequences include loss of customers and bad publicity about the business, the high cost of wastage increasing outgoings, cases of food poisoning being reported, infestations of pests, business being closed and jobs being cut, prosecution including fines and/or imprisonment, cases of food poisoning resulting in a civil action. Why is food safety important? Being able to comply with food safety procedures and legislation will ensure customers remain happy and return to frequent your business. This increases both profit and reputation. Customers remain healthy due to a reduction in food poisoning or foodborne illness. Reduction in food waste. Good reports at food standards inspections which increases publicity. Guarantee a 5-star rating at the Food Standards Agency, FDA, Food Hygiene Rating Scheme. Productive business brings jobs. Reduction of prosecution and fines for non-compliance. Employees who are happy and healthy and also proud to work with your business. Why is food safety important? Perhaps the most important reason for following food safety rules and regulations is to protect the health of the consumer. Consider the following findings which show us why maintaining high standards of food safety is so important. In 2017, the Food Standards Agency and Food Standards Scotland investigated 2,265 food and environmental contamination incidents in the UK. Microbiological contamination represented 14% of all incidents. Of these, 45% were related to Salmonella bacteria. 187 food safety incidents were as a result of allergens. Chemical contamination, including residues of veterinary medicinal products, accounted for 20% of all food safety incidents. Foreign bodies and food accounted for 5% of food safety incidents. A further 5% were as a result of incorrect food labeling. 6% of incidents were due to insufficient food safety controls. Who is most at risk? Food-related illnesses can affect anyone, however, certain groups of people are likely to be more at risk because of a weakened immune system. These people are more likely to pick up illnesses and suffer adverse reactions. People most at risk are the elderly, pregnant women, babies and young children, people who are ill or recovering from ill health. Which foods cause illness? Foods that are considered high risk are commonly the ones that are involved in foodborne illness. It means that under favorable conditions, these foods support the growth of harmful bacteria which will not be destroyed before they are consumed. Higher risk foods are usually ready to eat, high in protein, moist and require storage under refrigeration away from other raw foods. Examples of these include cooked meat and poultry, meat products like pate, stew, pies and gravy, products made from eggs such as mayonnaise and quiche, milk, cream, soft cheese, custards and dairy products, shellfish, especially oysters, prawns and crabs, cooked rice. Key terms. Before moving on to the rest of the course, it is essential that you as a manager or supervisor understand the key terms when talking about food safety. Here is a brief reminder of what you should know. Food safety, the safe handling, preparation, cooking and storage of food so as to safeguard it from anything that could cause harm to the consumer. Food hygiene, the control of harmful bacteria through safe cooking, chilling, cleaning and avoiding contamination. Contamination, the presence of anything biological, physical, chemical or allergenic in food that could cause harm. Cross-contamination, the process by which bacteria are unintentionally transferred from a surface such as worktops, equipment, the food handler or other food, onto ready-to-eat food. This results in that food becoming contaminated and therefore, harming the consumer. We hope you've enjoyed it. Enroll into a course to experience the excellence of interactive learning.